Phonological awareness is all about understanding sounds, how sounds make words, or how words can be broken down into sounds. Alliteration, rhyming, blending, segmenting, and manipulation are taught under phonological awareness. Our focus today is on manipulation, which is shown 9 different ways. Adding a sound in the beginning, middle, and end. Deleting a sound in the beginning, middle, and end, and changing the sound in the beginning, middle, and end. This set of here is the set. This set of cards show or help students understand or create new words with adding a sound in the end. Please make sure that each student has a copy of Elkonin boxes or sound boxes and a few counters. These counters and these boxes help students visualize sounds. Teacher holds these cards and gives directions. Students need not see them because they are manipulating sounds, not letters. This is phonological awareness and not phonics, so they need not see these cards. Now say the word pay. Children repeat pay. Now segment pay. It's p-a, pay. Add o in the end. Now p-a-o, pale. Say the word say. Children say the word say. Now segment it. A, say. Add in the end. A, same. Say the word row. Children repeat row. Segment row. O. Add t in the end. O, t, wrote. Say the word lay. Children repeat lay. Segment lay. A. Add in the end. Lame. Say the word may. Children repeat may. Segment may. A. Add in the end. Male. Say the word way. Segment children repeat way. Segment way. A. Add o in the end. Whale. Say the word may. Children repeat may. Segment may. A. Add in the end. Main. Say the word, see. Children repeat see. segment C, S, E, C, add T in the end, S, E, T, seat. These cards, and this is how students will, teacher and students will work together on these cards. There are, these cards are designed for our early childhood teachers. However, we'll be glad to share them if you let me know through email. I think the email is in the description box.